Early Sunday morning, 7 tornadoes struck Oklahoma, causing widespread damage in several areas, including Newcastle, Oklahoma City, Harrah, and Choctaw. The most severe tornadoes, rated up to EF3, destroyed homes, downed power lines, and damaged structures like Newcastle Elementary School and Oklahoma Heart Hospital. Significant destruction was reported along Southeast 89th Street, Triple X Road, and in Harrah, where the 100-year-old OG&E electrical plant sustained heavy damage. 11 people in Oklahoma City and 3 in Harrah were hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries, KOCO 5 has reported. Governor Kevin Stitt declared a state of emergency for 6 countries to aid recovery efforts.